What's up, dudes and dudettes? Welcome back to the channel, and this is of course one and only Light here, coming back from a small medical hiatus, but now I'm good again and hopefully will be pushing out those daily videos for you guys. And today we are going to be talking about an Ethereum dApp called 1inch Exchange, which has been gaining some attraction as of late, which is good because it's actually a pretty great service. And well, what exactly is that service? So 1inch is basically a DEX aggregator which finds you the best prices on market by comparing all of these different services. So for example, once we are logged in, I'm using currently Saturn wallet. There are many wallets which you can use to basically log into their service. So it's a very wallet-friendly website, which I really like about it. It's integrated in Trust Wallet and many others. Wallet Connect is also a very important one. And basically, once you are logged in, you are able to view your tokens here on the platform. Let's say I'm going to be choosing Engine here. And I want to be trading all my Engine tokens away for DAI or another. Basically, we trade it also for Ethereum. And here on the platform, it will actually filter out all the prices for us and whatever each exchange will be giving you in terms of that trade. And in certain exchanges don't have Engine listed, in some of them they do, but there's ones that are going to be giving you the better price, and these are actually moving on a real time. Every time there's a trade made on any DEX with Engine, it will like basically show us here what will give us the best price on which platform. And that is very powerful because you're going to be saving a lot of money. And it will also show you the gas fees involved with those exchanges. So we'll take that account into that trade. And this is very powerful tool. And it works very similarly. So you have the unlock tool, which is obviously going to be costing some Ethereum. I'm not going to be doing that in this video, guys, because the fees are very high. I'm not feeling like trading anymore, so you understand. But in case you, by the way, want to trade on the platform, I'll leave my referral link down below for exchanging in 1inch, which is really good and also supports custom tokens. So let's say we're going to be going into any address we want to. Let's open Etherscan from here. And let's just choose some random token. Let's like put bamboo or something. Okay, Crypto Rancho Bamboo. Oh my god, this is not a very good name. Don't never name your this one. But let's say we wanted to trade it. We can paste it here into the actual thing, and we can add the token. And once it's been added in to the actual filter, let's see if we can actually find it from here. There we go. And now the actual will show you like where we can actually trade it, and it's obviously nowhere because it's a shit coin. But so basically you can trade any token through this platform by adding them. And also what I forgot to mention just a minute ago on changing, let's say we want to exchange 5 Ethereum into DAI. We are also able to disable or enable the transaction costs in the gas fees. So here we have the actual transaction cost displayed here on all of these services. And now we can take them away and the numbers will basically change a bit, or the prices will change a bit. And it has to be said that obviously there's not exactly every DEX available listed here. Bamboo Relay is missing, DDX, and what else is missing? I don't know. Fork Delta, IDEX, I don't know if those are going to be added because they work a bit differently from other of these swapping systems, I guess. So that's something a bit different about them. There's also limit order feature, so you can have limit orders for, and you can set the duration for it, how long. You can set it the inverse rates. I don't know what that means. Don't ask me. Ask the people who are running the program. But one of the other cool things is actually the providing liquidity into pools. And providing liquidity means just yield farming. You provide certain amount of tokens or Ethereum, and sometimes both, and you will be getting rewards in exchange for doing that, and that is very powerful. And there are many. We have synthetics now here. I think this is the synthetics stable coin, and we can choose anything from here. We can choose any token. Let's say we're going to be choosing Abyss, and we are able to now see if there are any pools that are using this token, and apparently there's none. Let's see if we can find Amblefort must have something. Okay, here we go. So now we're able to see the liquidity, and we're able to see all of these, how much we potentially could earn, the annual ones, all the rates, the liquidity rates, and all the pairings that go along with it. And this is very good, and you're going to be saving a lot of money by using this service for the long term. If you're doing a lot of trades, you definitely want to use this service when you're going to be trading XYZ token on the Ethereum blockchain. And especially now, it may not matter that much given the fees are pretty high across the board. Certain different smart contracts have different costs, and Ethereum doesn't work like some other proof of work chains where the transactions get eventually confirmed. Instead, they just get like fucked over, right? So you have to send a new bill. But basically, and then it's obviously the API which you can use. And overall, like I really like the 1inch service. They also have Chi, which is basically, which you also have to enable on the platform, by the way. And Chi is basically, well, we could look into the actual play Chi token. It's like a DAI basically, and it's like well, better to kind of like go in its actual Medium page. I think they explain it here. It does have a page on, let's say we can, if we find it, to Etherscan. But basically, it's like a DAI stable coin, which is kind of like tied into some of the interests or something like that. And I guess trading through Chi might become cheaper. I haven't tried that myself yet, but it might be, you know, here it says more optimized gas token solution than everything existing on the market. Shorter contract address using Create 2 and some assembly automations to provide lower gas costs on minting and burning calls. And that means, you know, when you are exchanging DAI to CDAI, for example. CDAI is the compounds system. So when you convert CDAI into DAI or CDAI to Ethereum, certain amount of CDAI will be burned and minted, basically. That's how the system basically works, through smart contracts. And through the Chi system, basically you can do it cheaper. And that's pretty much my rundown of the 1inch exchange. If you want to try it out, I'm going to leave my link down below for it. But definitely a great system for comparing the prices and cutting the costs, because that's what we're all about, finding the best price possible on the market. And if you have any questions, leave them down below in the comments section, and I try to answer best way as I can. And also, yeah, you can change the slippage percentages also on the gas fees here on the platform. I forgot to mention that. But thanks for watching. Share the video, like it, comment. See you soon. Cheers.